You've noticed your monthly electric bills keep rising. Americans are using record amounts of electricity and paying record prices. Today, we're going to look at the problem and a popular solution that works on almost any kind of building: cool roofing.
Buildings use approximately 40% of all the energy consumed in the U.S. About a third of all the energy used by buildings can be ascribed to the energy efficiency of the roofing systems. Because the surface of a cool roof is highly reflective, the surface of the roof remains cool. The roof will probably last longer. Second benefit is that less energy from the roof is being transferred into the building, and therefore the air conditioning equipment for that building runs less.
Cool roof coatings were developed to reduce energy usage in a building by reflecting and emitting heat. What makes a roof coating good? These coatings have to be, number one, stronger. Number two, they have to stretch more. Number three, they have to be more resistant to UV. And they also have to be resistant to washing away through erosion.
Cool roofs save money for homeowners and for businesses.
When the sun is between 100 to 115 degrees, you need something to reflect off your roof. If you do not do that, you're going to feel the heat inside your living space, but also your air conditioning will have to work twice as hard to try to cool off your area inside your home. If you don't use white roof coatings on your roof, eventually you would have to replace the roof after a certain time.
They work really well for retail, for office buildings. You don't have the odors associated with hot asphalt, built-up roofing.
You'll see how cool roofs help cut your monthly electric bills and make roofs and air conditioners last longer. As a bonus, cool roofs make our world cleaner and greener by reducing global warming, improving our air quality, and cutting landfill waste.
Besides impacting just a single building, cool roofs also impact communities. Temperatures within the urban center of the city tend to be much warmer than those in the surrounding communities. This phenomenon is called the urban heat island. If you take 100 cities and change every energy absorbing surface in those cities, now you can talk about reducing the global temperature, which would have an offset on global climate change.
As a building owner, we save money by installing a cool roof because we're utilizing the existing roof system and applying a system onto it that elongates its useful life.
At the end of that useful life, you have several options. One would be to tear off that roof and replace it with a new roof. Fortunately today, we have a coating restoration system which can actually extend the life of that roof. The net effect to a customer many times is he's saving money on his cooling costs. He'll make a more comfortable work environment as you're reducing surface temperature some 60, 70 degrees.
One company that has taken the lead in promoting cool roofs and energy savings is APOC, a division of Gardner Industries.
APOC is a company that has made a great investment in research and development for coatings. As you may imagine, there are a vast number of materials that can be used to make coatings. They are also changing on a day-to-day basis as well, which means that you need to do a good deal of research and development in order to keep up with changing raw materials, but also to continuously improve your coatings and make them some of the highest reflecting and emitting coatings in the industry.
In supplying white roof coatings, there are many markets that we serve. We serve residential customers through the sale of our coatings through big box and retail stores. We also serve many contractors through larger building supply houses and roofing supply houses that sell these products directly to contractors who would apply them on commercial buildings.
APOC recently partnered with the City of New York, Mayor Michael Bloomberg, and Vice President Al Gore in promoting cool roofs throughout the city.
On a hot summer day, the temperature on a heat-reflective cool roof can be as much as 60 degrees Fahrenheit lower than on a dark-surfaced roof. The internal temperature on the top floor of a building can be 10 to 20 degrees cooler, and that translates into substantial savings on the cost of air conditioning for building owners, saving as much as 50% in a one-story building and 10% in a five-story building. Because they're less stressed by extreme heat, cool roofs last 5 to 10 years longer. Air conditioning units last longer too, all of which saves building owners money.
Actions that help to solve the climate crisis also have profound economic benefits, putting people to work, saving on energy costs, making our buildings and our economy more efficient.
One of our clients is in a distribution building of 130,000 square feet, and they were complaining that it was too hot in the summertime. So we applied the APOC product, and the following winter they were complaining it was too cold.
For more information about Gardner Industries, APOC, or on how a cool roof can save money and energy for your business, please visit www.apoc.com.